Hi, hello. Do you remember me? Oh my goodness, we gotta do the whole intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, or if you don't remember me because it's been so long, my name is Nkenna. I am in control. I don't even know how my intro goes. I am in charge of everything that goes on here. As you can tell, I'm very hyper. I'm very excited. It's been like 4 months. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are gonna be doing a beauty box subscription unboxing. It's for my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of November. So without too much more talking, we're gonna go ahead and dive right into this. So this is what the new Glam Bag looks like. I used to get the Glam Bags when it was the magenta colored bubble wrap mailer. I canceled my subscription and then I restarted it. Recently had the chance to go to the Ipsy Live creator event in New York in October. It was a lot of fun. I will have a video coming on that later, but this is the new packaging and I think it's really cute. It's very minimal. It says Ipsy and it's like a hot pink, baby pink type of color. I like this. I think I prefer this over the magenta mailer. When you open it, this is what this month's Glam Bag looks like. So when you open it up, then it has this card that details all the products that you got in your Glam Bag. So one thing with this, I guess my first initial question would be, everybody is supposed to get personalized products, and I don't know if they go in and detail this, like if they detail this to everybody or if they've started just batch selecting bags. So certain people will get this bag, certain people will get this bag, and that kind of concerns me, and that's one of the reasons I've canceled Ipsy in the past, is because I didn't feel like it was personalized to me. Like I would go in and redo the test, redo the personalization quiz, and I felt like I would still get foundations that were too light for me. Or I would say I wouldn't like a certain eyeshadow color and I would still get that eyeshadow color. So with this coming with all of the products printed on it, it makes me think that maybe certain people are just getting a set bag. Like they have, like, this is bag A, this is bag B, this is bag C, this is bag D, and all these people are gonna get this, all these people are gonna get that. Whereas before there would be like a long list of products and it would just be any combination of the products going out to people, if that makes any sense to you guys. So on this information card, it has the 5 products that I got in my bag, and as always, I'll make sure that I have all of the products that were included down in the description box below. So first things first, we have this IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. On the packaging it says Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream, and it's Anti-Aging Armor Rejuvenating Concentrate. This is what the actual product looks like when it comes in the container. So it is just a small little trial size, and it's 0.237 ounces. So when you smell it, it has like a citrus scent to it. It's like citrus fresh linen scent. So I don't mind that at all. I prefer citrusy things. It smells very, very fresh. And just taking a little bit and rubbing it in on the back of my palm, I like that. It feels like water, not water-based, but like it doesn't feel like it has a residue. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel slimy, it feels water-based. That's what I was trying to say. Next up, we have this Color Club nail polish in the shade Catwalk. So once this is out of the package, it's a very pretty red color. Next up, we have this product from QHEMET BIOLOGICS, but this is, I thought at first this was hand cream, but this is actually for hair because it says on the bottle, moisturizes very dry and coarse hair. So that is one of my hair concerns. My hair recently, I tried to do rice water treatment to see if I could do some quick hair growth, and it ended up making my hair this ratty, dry mess. And my hair has always been dry, so it only added to that. It made it even more dry. So I've been deep conditioning, but just trying to find products that really add that moisture back into my hair. It says, your curly hair prayers have been answered. This all-in-one super rich hair cream moisturizes and softens coarse hair types using a nourishing blend of olive and castor oils. Next, we have this lipstick from Hola Neon, or Hola Neon. And this is a tinted lip balm in the shade Call Me. So tinted lip balm, I feel some kind of way about it because I feel like it's like chapstick, but it wants to be like mature. Like it doesn't quite want to be lipstick, but it doesn't want to be chapstick. Like it wants to be like chapstick, but it's grown. And then that's what it looks like. So this is definitely something, it kind of looks like lipstick. All right, so I have it on now and I'll get closer so you guys can see. It feels like chapstick, but it has a subtle amount of color. And for me, I just prefer like all or nothing. Like I don't want it to like look patchy. Like I feel like it looks like when you wear red lipstick and you take it off and it stains your lips. That's what I feel like this is doing for me right now. And then the final product in this glam bag is from GIGI Gorgeous. This is the Gorgeous Contour Brush. So as you guys can see, it is a contour brush and it is white with gold trim, and then it just says GIGI Gorgeous on this side, but then when you turn it, then it says what kind of brush it is. So it does say that it is a contour brush, which is really nice because sometimes you get brushes in sets and they don't tell you what the brush does. And of course, like if you do your makeup, you know what it's for, but if you're someone who's a beginner and you don't really know what these brushes are for, then it's a little bit discouraging because you're like, I don't know what I use this for. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. It's good to be back. Hopefully we won't be taking any more breaks. I'm graduating soon in 5 months, so we'll be back and we'll be doing this more often and we'll have a schedule, and hopefully you guys won't divorce me. I miss you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. Leave a comment down below. If you guys got an Ipsy glam bag, definitely let me know what you guys got inside. If there are any videos that you guys would like to see from me, definitely let me know. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.